Okay, y'all, so I just filmed this video and I'm about to refilm it, but I'm so proud of myself for not getting irritated and stressed out because I really want to make this YouTube channel work, and I'm not with all the editing, y'all. Like, I just really want to provide value and move on about my day. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just what it gives to me. So I was basically making a video on the best 5 tips as a new trader. Thought it was an amazing video, but obviously I gotta re-record it because I tried to edit it on iMovie, and iMovie would not let me save it to my photos so that I could upload it to YouTube. So here we are. So the first step that I had for you guys in regards to the top 5 tips on being a new trader is risk management. Keep your risk management in order and align with the size account that you have. Understanding your risk management is going to help you to excel as a trader, and it's going to also help you to understand how many trades that you can take before you would actually lose a trade. It also helps you understand your win rate. So definitely keeping track of your lot size and you know, in regards to your account is going to be number one. The quicker you focus on being consistent to get your account to a certain number, the quicker it will get there with your consistency. It's going to take longer to get there if you try to focus on those trades that only happen every so often, those trades that go 500 to 800 pips. In reality, most pairs, even the volatile pairs of all time, are only moving anywhere between 200 and 300 pips a day. And I'm speaking more so of metals and golds. When we're talking about foreign exchange currencies, you really should only be expecting those to move between like 50 to 80 pips a day when we're talking about foreign exchange currencies. So definitely keep in mind what you're trading, how volatile it is when it comes to your risk. So that's tip 1. Tip 2 is going to be to make sure that you have a trading plan. Having a trading plan is going to allow you to know what time you should be trading. It's going to allow you to know how many trades you should take a week. It's going to allow you to know how should you look for your trades. What 3 confluences are the best confluences for you when it comes to trading your pairs. So definitely have a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan or you're not journaling your trades, you're definitely doing yourself a disservice because you don't understand what pairs work the best for you, what patterns work the best for you, and what type of setups that you see the best. So definitely have a trading plan so that you can be more consistent along your journey and not really have to rely on those big trades to get you back in profit when you've lost. The third thing that I'm going to say is going to be a big tip for you guys is to journal your trades. Journal your trades, because it allows you to see what trades do better for you. And I know that's kind of along with the second one, but in the trading plan, it's more so telling you what to do when you're trying to execute a trade. And then journaling your trades allows you just to keep a better track on what's happening overall through the year in regards to your trades, so that you're not lost and wondering why you weren't as profitable this month as the last month if you don't know what trades that you're that you should be taking. As a trader, the more you know and the more tools that you utilize at your disposal, the more money you will make in this market. And I know that's, you know, maybe cliche or maybe not even a very detailed response, to some of the questions that it may bring. But in all honesty, it will be the 1% of things that you do that take your trading to the next level. A lot of us think that we need to have like these big epiphany moments, or we need to have these big one-all go-get-it trades, but in reality, it's the slow consistency of compounding that allows you to grow these accounts. My fourth tip is going to be to stick to maybe 2 or 3 pairs. Sticking to 2 or 3 pairs allows you to really double down in what works for you. When starting out, of course, you want to kind of go through the pairs, maybe stick to only the majors, and kind of find the pairs that you understand the most, the psychology on them, and understand that that may be for different times of the year, because your pairs that you fall in love with this year may not be the pairs that you love next year. So definitely try to, for majority of whatever quarter you're in of a year, try to trade the pairs that are bringing you the most consistent profits, just from them, just from you understanding them. Because the more that you can, I don't want to say dumb down, but the more that you can simplify your trading journey, the better off you will be, because you're not trying to do these outrageous things compared to other people who are doing outrageous things and still not seeing the results that they would like to see. And regardless of what it may look like from the outside looking in, most traders take a few years to gain and compound millions of dollars. So yeah, that's definitely the next tip. And tip number 5, y'all, is just going to be trust your own analysis. I know there is YouTube universities, there's all these social groups that teach you how to trade, and then they give their opinion on the market. But trust your own analysis, is my opinion at the end of the day, because it is the only way that you are going to gain confidence in these markets, and know that you have an understanding on the charts that you marked up. Definitely trust your own analysis and your own opinions of trades, because you will get further that way than listening to other people. There's been so many times where I've lost trades because I was in a group and they were calling out trades, and then I would change my bias based on all of the other opinions that I was seeing when my bias was the correct one. So definitely understand that any point in time there can be somebody in a buy and there can be somebody in a sell, and they can both be profitable. I had to really wrap my head around that, and you as a trader should wrap your head around that as well. But these are just the tips I wanted to give y'all when it comes to getting in this field and trying to become a profitable trader. I hope that y'all took notes, because the amount of money you make really does depend on all of the resources that you use at your disposal and the things that you remember. So it's a fool to think that they will remember, everything that's told to them that will possibly help. So take notes, and know that it's the 1% of things that you do that change your journey or elevate your journey, not the 99. It will always be that 1% over time with consistency. But that's all for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Definitely comment, let me know what you want to see next. I'll definitely leave the resources that I have for you guys down below. But that's all for now, and until next time, I'll see you again.